Working with EazyDraw illustrations on macOS and got an EZDRAW file. This is the native vector graphic format from this Mac-focused drawing application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these EazyDraw graphic files. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky EZDRAW file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. EZDRAW files are vector graphic files created by EazyDraw, a vector illustration application designed specifically for macOS. They contain complete drawing data, including shapes, paths, text, styles, layers, and metadata, enabling continued work on technical illustrations, diagrams, and artistic vector graphics projects. EZDRAW files use a proprietary format specific to EazyDraw, storing vector objects as a hierarchical structure with shape definitions, stroke and fill properties, text elements, layer organization, and document metadata. The format preserves complete editing state for seamless project resumption within EazyDraw. Your application default for EZDRAW should ideally be EazyDraw from Decoding Optics. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows can display simple vector shapes, but complex artwork requires compatible editors. We're checking the software's ability to read the file header. Right-click the EZDRAW file and select Open With. Test EZDRAW first. If it's not present, choose a different application. The key is persistence. If your EZDRAW file isn't cooperating, don't worry. General troubleshooting won't work on this EZDRAW file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, opening in EZDRAW. Launch EZDRAW on macOS and use File then Open to load the EZDRAW file. The application restores the complete drawing project with all layers, shapes, paths, and styling intact, ready for editing, modification, or export to standard image and vector formats for cross-platform use. Next, exporting to standard formats. Within EZDRAW, use File, then Export. As to convert the EZDRAW project to SVG, PDF, EPS, or PNG formats. These standard formats can be opened in any vector graphics application like Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape, or Sketch, enabling collaboration without requiring EZDRAW. Finally, trying vector editors. If EZDRAW is unavailable, contact the file sender for an exported version in standard SVG or PDF format. While direct support for EZDRAW in other applications is unlikely, the SVG export from EZDRAW provides excellent fidelity for use in cross-platform vector workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.